Okay,
Wait
thank
about
you. Fair.
him not in the crew. So you will stop talking
No,
about it tomorrow. Him not
oh,
in the
me
crew.
no business. Me a talk about him.
I need to update my calendar because me nah lie 2021 festive bud. My viewers, subscribers, the March Madness continue. We don't have a Roman reason topic right now. Me give my pat on him shoulder, so don't do it again. But my people, look here now. Look here now. Me can't make this pass. This not go slide. Brother, you're not getting a pat on your shoulder for this. Yeah, I get why. You're not getting a pat on your shoulder for this. Man, you can't. My viewers, subscribers.
I have to answer that publicly because people gonna see it. You understand what I mean, brother? Because guess what got me now? Guess what got me now, footer? And I can't talk to yo because sometimes when everything good feet good for talk, footer. You hear me? I tell you.
I just one thing we
Listen
want to
me now.
know still.
Yeah.
If him in the crew or not, still. That's all.
And wait I go do. Him not in the crew. Alright, him not in the crew.
Good. Okay,
Wait
thank you. Fair.
Him not in the crew. So you will stop talking
No.
about it tomorrow. Him not in the crew.
Me no business. Me a talk about him without Ravers.
Footer, hold on. Him not in the crew. You will stop talking about it tomorrow.
No, me a talk about silent without Ravers. Who that?
My viewers, subscribers, me eat up right now, my people. So you don't know what say, yo, we catch Silent Ravers in a video with a fish. I do something when you know you're not supposed to do. Me even can't talk about it right now. Me can't even say what me see the man I do, brother. Me know no me alone see. I don't know how me for the video. You see, the man actually I keynote him real, brother. I push it up in him real. Yo, my viewers, subscribers. Anyways, enough of the joking thing because this gets serious now. So what's you know? Ding dong, fire, Silent Ravers earlier. You get me? After a video of this man here went viral of him and Little Kev and next fish. Yo, my viewers, subscribers. The man will deactivate him in my IG page. That are Silent Ravers. Yo, I'm gonna check if I'm alright if him coming suicide over there. So check if I'm alright, you know, cause me know he can't recover from this. He can't recover from this, man. Go check if I'm alright over there. I don't know warm to you them. Me tell you now again, you know. You see when me don't know about no boy, you see, me tell you say me give Roman reason. Where they eat the buff, where say it tastes like ice cream, give me a pat on him shoulder and tell him to do it again. No. But me can't. Silent Ravers, me can't. If you watch the video right now, me can't give you a pass, brother. You low. What kind of style that my brother? What that thing man them? Yo, look how much woman there road. I only see him wanna make you woman turn lesbian pan me, brother. Me, you know. Me the even don't say I like some man them do it for to bombard. I must curse him man them under. Cheese and peace, man they on video. I push thing in a rear with man. Cheese and peace, my viewers. So top, yo, a top man we are talking about, you know. So-called top man we are talking about now. This man, well, is no longer. Let me just say this. He's no longer in the Ravers group. Ding dang fire him with immediate effect. Him deactivate him account. Set speed. You get me? Me can't imagine how the man them feel right now. Me I watch a live with Footer Hype and Ding Dang and the man feel cut up, brother. You know what says a soldier will run him from all longer dance and I travel the world or something like that. You see me? Where the man them see them thing, the brother, for do them things, you know, my people. Tell me what the excuse right now, you know. You get me? Me nah go see a sweet man them like the youth them have things and I like say youth them broke, which is still not an excuse for go the wrong way. You see me? No. Just imagine how that brother, how you feel now. If you know say how you look back on the video and it gone viral. How you feel now, you really want to kill yourself and check if I'm alright. Check if I'm alright over there so there. No, I think he murder a homicide rate high already. We don't want he rise by once. Check if I'm alright over there, so but we not give him a pass still. We not get the tap on him shoulder like Roman reason. You see me? You not go pass someone in my youth. So youth, yeah, see man. Yo, I'm matter of fact, me not watch but no more video with the day night, brother. You see it? Hey, ding dang. You see if you have the unreleased video with him night, don't drop it. You better don't drop it. You can't drop it, brother. But me love well, me not why. Me rate how you deal with the thing still. Me rate how you deal with the thing because if JCF can fire Roman Reigns just for you eat the buff in your uniform, I buff him I eat well. Anyways, what then they think you did I go do? Tell him say Photoshop. Because last time I check video can't do Photoshop like that and that ain't not 3D. And not even 3D, 4K there not too. You see it so. Cheese and peace. Cheese and peace. The youth they now all no meds. And what kind of curse this year come with? And look how we say we are gonna beat Andrew bad. Because the man go on with a whole heap of thing with the funeral and see there. The man, you know, soon give the man 2 days with a sigh of relief. The man must have say, oh yeah, come off from my back now. See there? The whole time yesterday, when I talk about Andrew or COVID or vaccine, media all want if COVID still a keep. A Roman Reigns we are talk about. And see it now. We are talk about silent Ravers. Ravers group. Man catch pan video. Man the pan video. I push thing in a rear. Cheese and peace. Andrew, man again Andrew this. I break and look there. I wonder if man play body man in a cash pad, cause the man pay more cheat time yesterday, you know. Yo, the man them body this I want in a cash pad. Because then you tell now will no made star. Look there. Look out at everything. Look what you choose. Look what the man choose to go viral now. My viewers, subscribers. The man choose to go viral not the way there. It better a man do go viral and eat the buff. You couldn't say, oh yeah, we see it already. Yeah. The buff eating virus them off. But the man go viral and shoot thing in a rear. Jeez, I'm a tough fuck me this delete the video instead time. I didn't even bother watch it out full cause it disgusting brother. Them man just sick my stomach brother. Them man nasty brother. Them man have just flush in a toilet and them man have last in a pit brother. You see it? Me no care what no man, me no, and if you are fishing you come over my page. Me not nothing against your brother but me I just share how I feel right now. Me I tell you how I feel right now brother. You see me and the hottest thing too. Them man and man act like them a gallis. Adapt me and not you say if a man act like him a fish. Not good. I hear style that. We know that. Just go one side. But the man them act like them a gallis brother. The man them a sleep with the girl and brother. The man them a deal with the female and brother. And then other man what they want to know what go on. I go sleep back with them said gala. You see me? I that one my brother. The man them cheese and peace. You see some man more I think them are the biggest of that gallis. A big body man them. No joke my people. You see it? I don't expect the man to feel no ding dang Ravers me and talk. You see, the man under a whole heap of pressure right now because the foot type in a top talk about it. You see it? You know top. The boy will expose the man to you know. Yo, boy. My viewers, subscribers. Me say me the want a break. I'm using me for talk about you know cause the Intence a drop mixtape then me a wait for top price album drop you know. And watch it, look how me they talk about. Look how me they talk about. Man is sick my brother. Yo, last time I can't talk about something like this. Me even do a follow. Me even busy one after. You get my viewers, subscribers. Roman Reigns, make sure you're right over there still in the car. See a man of the worst than you. They say you don't feel no way. Me did a video on it just not too long. Your wife want divorce you and thing. No feel no way my brother at least. No man that catch up on video. I push nothing in your rear. You get me? So me give you a tap on your shoulder. Just don't do it in your uniform. See if you get a next work. If you get a firework or whatever, just don't do nothing in your uniform. But your style, your thing that, not my thing. You see me? But my viewers, subscribers, silent Ravers, get catch, no, a phone sex with a fish. Ding dang fire him. Him also deactivate him page. Comment anything in the comment section below and I'm vex about it. Until next time, just vibe Judah. I'm out.